guys, this is Kinzang. Welcome back to my channel. So today is quite exciting vlog for me because I'm doing unboxing for my new iPhone 12 Pro Max. I always wanted to do one of those vlogs, you know how the YouTuber they do. So today is the day for unboxing my iPhone. So I bought this iPhone. I actually pre-ordered this iPhone 12 Pro Max. But today I got it, so I'm super excited to open this one. I'm actually not really well, but still, because I can't wait, I'm just gonna do the unboxing vlog. So yeah guys, let me show you the new iPhone I got. This is iPhone 12 Pro Max in Pacific blue color. They got like 4 different colors. I loved this one the most. And it's 128 GB. I take a lot of pictures, so I think this is the best iPhone for me. Okay, let's unbox them. Okay, so this is very gorgeous phone. Look at the color, it's so beautiful. I'm just gonna turn on this one first. I think this is the one. Yeah, it's turning on, so let's keep this one for a few seconds. Okay, so let me show what's in the box. Okay, designed by Apple. What's in there? Ooh, this is cool stuff. Don't know, there's something, if you can see. We got USB cable here, so just to let you all know, there is no adapter this time. It don't come with the iPhone. So what I did was I bought my own adapter from Apple Store, which cost only like £19. Okay, this is the one you need for iPhone 12. Ta-da! So that's complete. Okay, there you go. Swipe up to open. Okay, select your country or region. It's already on United Kingdom. There you go, quick start, set up manually. Okay, so that's my house Wi-Fi. Okay, so Wi-Fi is already connected. I'm gonna go next. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Welcome to iPhone. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh, the screen is so huge. Okay. Oh, okay. That's the news. I think all my data from the previous iPhone has been transferred here, so I don't have to do much. All the apps which I need is already there. The news, obviously. Yeah. Okay, so my phone is all set. So all I need is a screen protector and a phone case, which I got from Amazon. So this is the screen protector and this is the transparent phone case. So I'm just gonna put them on my phone now. Okay, let's remove this packaging. Yeah, we got cleaning wipes. 1, 2, 3. We got 3 screen protectors. Yeah. Okay, let's try to put this one first. Okay, so the last step is the phone case. There you go. Okay, so this is the phone case I bought because it's clear one. Just because of the color. I love the color, so don't want to put anything else on it. There we go. Ta-da. This is it, guys. So my iPhone 12 Pro Max is ready to be used. I can't wait to use. So that was my unboxing vlog. So later I'm gonna go out and shoot some videos and take some pictures as well to like see the difference between my old iPhone and this one. Obviously this is a great camera iPhone which I will be using for my vlogs. So stay tuned and thank you for watching my video.